The next tool we are going to learn is the pen tool. So, the first thing, you make sure that you just have the stroke selected. As you can see at my window, my stroke is set to black. It doesn't really matter the color you have. But in the fill, just make sure there is no color selected. If you have the fill color selected, just click this none box here. And the reason for this is, like I have this simple curve here. And if I apply a fill to it, it will look like this. That is why you just have to select only the stroke color when you are using pen tool. Now let's start. If you click and hold the pen tool, you will see the other tools also. So let's talk about the pen tool first. I will start by the straight lines. That's how you can draw the straight lines by using the pen tool. Position the pen tool where you want the line to begin and click to make an anchor point. Click again where you want the line to end. Continue clicking to make other anchor points to extend the line. By pressing Shift key, you can create perfect horizontal or vertical lines. When you continue clicking to make anchor points and return to first anchor point, here you will see this little circle, and this is the sign of closed path. When you click, you will get a closed shape. So this is how you can make the lines using the pen tool. Now I will tell you that how to make curves using the pen tool. For curve, just click to make the first anchor point. Click again, hold and drag to give a curve. Press the Alt key and click here to hide the handle. Or you can simply just click here to hide the handle and to make more smooth curves. Like this. When you return to the first anchor point, you will see this little circle. Click here to get a closed shape. Here you go. This is how you can create curves and make curved objects. Now, here the next tool is the Add Anchor Point tool. And the shortcut for Add Anchor Point tool is plus sign. When you hover the pen tool at the path, you will see this plus sign, which means that you can add an anchor point. So just click on the path to create an anchor point. Now, by using the direct selection tool, you can adjust the anchor point. As you have learned in the previous tutorial, the direct selection tool is used to adjust the anchor points. So by the direct selection tool, adjust the anchor point. Like this. Now let's come to the next one, which is the delete anchor point tool. When you hover the pen tool on any anchor point, you will see this minus mark, which means when you click here, the anchor point will get deleted. Like this. So this is how you can use this tool. Now the next tool is the anchor point tool. Its shortcut is Shift C. So basically it is used to give curves to the straight lines. For example, this is a rectangle. And now select the anchor point tool. When you hover at the path of the rectangle, you will see the cursor changes. You will see that the cursor changes to this little black arrow along with this little curve segment. So now click on the path and drag to make the curve. Here you go. Like this you can play with the anchor point tool.